She is.
Here we have 3 budgies.
Now, quit biting. They're really neat. Right now, he thinks he's hungry. We call him Jaws because when he's hungry, he chomps. Got fat little heads.
They are handleable, though, and sweet.
When he's not hungry.
When they're not hungry. And how many times a day are they feeding?
Twice.
Feeding twice a day. And if you would like more information on these budgies or any of our other birds, you can go to www.corbettbirds.com or like our page on Facebook at Corbett Birds. And these are budgies, babies.